Hi! In front of me is REALME NARZO 50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this Realme. You need to begin by opening one of your apps that you wish to use in this view. I will go with Play Store. Now access background apps. If you are using Trick's navigation, you can do that by tapping on this button with 3 lines. Now click on those 3 dots at the top right corner of your app and select Floating Window. Then tap on this tiny one. As you can see, now I can use my app in pop-up view. If you wish to move it around, you can always do that by holding this line at the top and dragging it. You can also use it to overlay the other one by tapping on any other app like Chrome and operating in both. If you wish to use your app in full screen view, tap on the top left corner. In order to close it though, click on the top right one or swipe it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!